Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and permissions so the process won't stall. First, confirm your headset and any external cameras support mixed reality pass-through, and that you have the vendor Mr. Driver and Companion app installed. Once done, enable developer mode if required, because permissions matter for camera mapping. Then prepare a clear 2 meter by 2 meter area with consistent lighting around 300 to 500 lux and mark floor boundaries. These actions save time and reduce tracking errors later. Next, you calibrate and build the mixed reality scene so virtual content aligns with the real world. Mount cameras at the vendor-recommended height and secure them to prevent jitter. Then run a spatial mapping pass. Scan the room slowly to capture occluders and set depth range from about 0.5 to 5 meters to cover typical interactions. After mapping, configure pass-through blend mode and fine-tune alignment offsets and scale. Keep scale at 1.0 initially, and save a profile for repeatability. Finish by validating interactions and addressing common failure modes so your MR feels stable. You should test with a simple anchored object and verify occlusion, shadows, and hand tracking. These confirm depth and alignment. If streaming or remote rendering, adjust color, brightness, reprojection, and add network latency buffering. Make sure to walk the play area and test multiple angles. If you see drift or misalignment, rerun a quick calibration or toggle pass-through to reset tracking. That fixes most issues without full remapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.